Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Did you understand yesterday's class? Okay. Today we will start same lesson 2, knowing windows. Please listen the class carefully. Last class we already learned rename a file or folder. Today, selecting multiple files or folder. Multiple files or folder can be selected into two rows, adjacent and non-adjacent. To select adjacent files or folders, click on the first file or folder to be selected. Hold Shift key and now select the last file or folder. All the adjacent file or folder are selected. Just think this. First you select file or folder. Okay. First file or folder to be selected. Hold Shift key. Now select last file or folder. Okay. Second way, non-adjacent file. To select non-adjacent file or folder, click the first file or folder to be selected. Hold Ctrl key and click on each of the item record to be selected. All the non-adjacent file or folder are selected now. See the pictures. To select non-adjacent file or folder, click the first file or folder to be selected. This and hold Ctrl key and click on each items required to be selected. Got it? Moving a file or folder. Moving your file or folder means one place to another place. To move a file or folder from one place to another, follow these steps. Step 1. Select one or multiple files or folder to be selected. You can see the picture also. Okay. Step 2. Right click on the mouse button and click button. Click cut button. Step 2 again. Right click on the mouse button and click the cut option. Step 2 you can see this is cut option. Step 3. Select a new location where this file is to be moved. Open it by double click. Step 3. You can take your new location where this file to be moved. Then open it by double click. Step 4. This is the step 4. Right click the mouse and click the paste. In this file move to new place. Once again, which file you want to remove, select that file and click your right button on your mouse and take cut option and take your new location. Okay. Now you can paste that file in new place. Okay. Shortcut cut to paste new place. Not tampering with the others files or folder. The file permissions are one way the system protects against malicious tampering, reading, writing and executing are the three main settings in permission. Since users are placed into a group when their accounts are created, you can also specify whether certain groups are read, write to execute a file. Okay. Now, copy a file or a folder. Okay. File or folder can be copied at different locations. To copy a file or folder, follow the steps. First one, select file or folder to be copied, which file you want to copy. Step 2, right click on the mouse button, click on copy button, right click your mouse, click on copy, take the copy option. Step 3, select a place where file to be copied and double click to open it. Select the place where you want to copy this file and double click to open it. Step 4, right click the mouse button and paste option. Step 4, right click mouse and click paste. The mouse is copied to new place. Okay. Once again, first you choose the file you want to copy, select it and click your mouse to copy and take a new place where you want to paste this, and you can click your mouse button again, take, then paste option, take and paste to new place, and the file is copied a new place. Got it? Next, deleting a file or folder. Deleting a file or folder. You want to delete one file or folder. To delete a file or folder, follow the steps. Step 1, select the file or folder required to be deleted. Which file you want to delete? First you can select that file, take that file. Step 2, right click on the mouse button to select delete option. Delete option, same thing. Right click on the mouse button and delete option is there. See the picture, this delete option. Step 3, press enter or click on the yes button to delete file or folder when Windows 7 calls the information. Step 3, see this one. Press enter or click yes to delete the file or folder when Windows 7 calls information. Got it? Up to this parts you can revise in this lesson. First we created the file or folder and move the file or folder, cut, copy, paste file or folder. Okay, please revise this lesson, read the lesson 2-3 times carefully, and today's class over. And if you have any doubts you can ask. Okay children, thank you, have a nice day.